Hello, what's your name?
My name is Yao.
How old are you?
I'm happy.
How old are you?
6 and 8 years old.
How are you today?
I'm happy.
Do you have a good friend at school?
I work when
What games do you play?
I play the teddy.
Let's talk about your friend.
My name is Tommy. It's black eye. It's short hair. And I like I I love my friend.
What shape is it?
Triangle.
What shape is it?
Circle.
What animals live in the forest?
Tiger and monkey.
What color is the zebra?
It's black and white.
Is the elephant big or small?
It's big.
Let's talk about the elephant.
It's big and white.
Talk about the snake.
Lawn is green.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is bread.
Do you like hamburger?
Yes, I do.
What do you like to drink?
I like hot chocolate.
Is cake sweet or sour?
Green.
How many robots are there?
For robot.
What are they?
Balloon.
Where is the cake?
It on the table.
That's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.